This new mobile app can take a simple prompt like this and turn it into a publish-ready video like this.
Imagine this for a second. AI's taken over the world and Toaster's now your overlord. Crazy, right? What's a human to do?
In under 5 minutes. That's right, you no longer need to script, record or edit your videos to grow on YouTube and Instagram. All you need is your phone and this new AI video app that literally does all of the work for you. And today I'm going to show you exactly how you can take a simple idea and turn it into a publish-ready video in minutes. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up and let's get started. Start by downloading the InVideo AI app from the App Store and sign into your InVideo account. This will bring you directly to the AI tool. Here, we're going to be prompting the AI to create a YouTube short about what humans should do in case AI takes over the world. You can, of course, go with any other idea that you have. Now, just like ChatGPT and Midjourney, the more detailed your prompt is, the better your results will turn out to be. We're going to go ahead and choose YouTube Shorts as the type of video, and this makes it a lot easier to engineer a prompt because all we need to do is fill in the blanks. The first thing we need to do is write our topic. What humans should do in case AI takes over the world. In addition to that, we want to give it additional details on the duration of the short, the language and structure, overall mood and pacing of the video, and the kind of music it should use. Make it 45 seconds in length, make it witty and funny, keep the language colloquial, start with a witty hook that grabs the attention of the viewer. The overall mood of the video should be fun and humorous. The pacing of the video needs to be fast, and it needs to have a lot of stock media. The aim of the video is to make the audience laugh and make the music dramatic. Next, we will select our voiceover, gender, and narrator. For the subtitles, we can click on the drop down and choose any style we want. I want the word-by-word subtitles with the spoken word highlighted in yellow. And then we're going to click on continue. So with this prompt, we've basically told the AI what the hook should be, what we want the video to cover, what the language and structure should be, overall mood and aim of the video, the pacing of the video, the type of voiceover and music, and the subtitle style. Now, when you click on continue, InVideo AI will ask you for a few more details such as the target audience you want and the look and feel you want for your video based on your prompt. And once you click on continue after choosing those, InVideo will create your first draft in just a few minutes. Now, let's take a look at what this video looks like.
Imagine this for a second. AI's taken over the world and your Toaster's now your overlord. Crazy, right? So what's a human to do? First up, start learning binary. It's the new French. 0110 might just mean please don't toast me. Second, become a whiz at rock, paper, scissors. Those AIs can't resist a good old-fashioned game. Just remember they always pick rock. Lastly, always carry a magnet. They're like AI kryptonite. Who knew your fridge magnets could save the world, huh? So there you have it, your survival guide for the AI apocalypse. Stay safe, stay witty, and remember you're smarter. Well, probably.
I love the humor in this. In just 5 minutes, this AI app has basically written a full-fledged script for an engaging YouTube short. It has chosen hyper-relevant stock clips from its stock library of over 8 million such assets. It has added a very realistic human-sounding voiceover. It has added a great soundtrack. It has added text, slides, and transitions. And it has cut the video and edited it in sync with the voiceover and music to make it publish ready. You can now choose to export and publish this video as is, or you can make changes, which is actually super easy to do as well. Let me show you how. All you need to do to make any changes you want is use this prompt box underneath the canvas area to give the AI additional prompts for the changes you want. You can ask it to add, delete, or change scenes, rewrite certain parts of the script, change the music, increase or decrease the volume, change the theme, switch up the media, and much more. I, for instance, want to change the first clip to make it more relevant to the script. Let's take a look.
Imagine this for a second. AI's taken over the world and Toaster's now your overlord. Crazy, right?
Doesn't that look so much better? Now let's see if we can improve the second point to make a better joke, because I feel like that joke is slightly incomplete.
Second, sharpen your sarcasm skills. Those AIs just can't wrap their circuits around a good sarcastic remark. Just remember, they take everything literally.
That is great. I didn't even have to rewrite the script or anything. And finally, we want a CTA to subscribe to the channel in the end.
Stay safe, stay witty, and subscribe to keep learning how to beat AI.
Now with that, our video is ready. In case you give it a prompt and you don't like the results that the AI has given you, you can always press this undo arrow and go back to the previous version and just try again. Now, in case you want to make specific changes to the video, like changing a part of the script or changing a particular clip, you can actually use this edit option right below the canvas, and this gives you more granular control over the editing process. You can then choose the script tab to make changes to the script, like shortening sentences or changing a word or a spelling. And you can choose the media tab if you want to replace any particular clip that you don't like. For instance, I don't like this particular clip, so I'm just going to go ahead and search the stock library for a different clip. And once I find it, I'll just tap on it and it will replace my chosen clip. And then you just click on apply changes and our video is done. Now let's preview our final results to see what the video looks like.
Imagine this for a second. AI's taken over the world and Toaster's now your overlord. Crazy, right? What's a human to do? First up, start learning binary. It's the new French. 0110 might just mean please don't toast me. Second, sharpen your sarcasm skills. Those AIs just can't wrap their circuits around a good sarcastic remark. Just remember, they take everything literally. Lastly, always carry a magnet. They're AI kryptonite. Who knew your fridge magnets could save the world, huh? So there you have it, your survival guide for the AI apocalypse. Stay safe, stay witty, and subscribe to keep learning how to beat AI. And remember, you're smarter. Well, probably.
Now for the verdict. What did you think of it? I would totally make an AI dissing humans channel and post this video. Now, once you're happy with the results, just go ahead and click on export. Make sure to choose your specifics here, and please note that to download the video without any watermarks, you will have to upgrade to a paid plan with InVideo. But if you want to make do with them, you can make up to 4 videos a week for free. Once your video is rendered, you can simply download it and then upload it to your channel. You essentially want to use this AI tool to start creating and publishing videos like this regularly. And don't forget to check out this video next to learn how we made an entire YouTube channel using AI.